So we are an Heaven Squad group reporter. So I am a Janwar Surat and with my co-reporter Alicia Carato and Eileen Grace in Tabo. So the topic we talk about today is about the stereochemistry of chirality. This PowerPoint is prepared by Heaven Squad group. Before we formally start our reporting or discussion, let's have a warm-up activity. So as you can see, there is a picture in this slide. So please observe the picture and then after that, answer the question. So the question is, what terms describe a molecule that has a non-superimposable mirror image? Okay? Vijayta, so what is your answer? What? Okay, very good. Yes, chirality. So, our objective is understand the concept of the stereochemistry, define and explain the branch of chemistry concerned with a three-dimensional arrangement of atoms and molecules. Describe the property of molecule that makes it non-superimposable on its mirror image. Explain the concept of non-impossible mirror image, asymmetry, and handedness in chiral molecules. So, who is discovered stereochemistry? So, based on our research, there are two scientists that discovered the stereochemistry. First is Jacobus Mercurius van Hoff. So, this scientist is Dutch physical chemist, was the first recipient of the Nobel Prize in Chemistry in 1901 for his work on chemical dynamics and atmospheric pressure, and is also considered founder of physical chemistry and stereochemistry. So, this scientist is also known as the father of stereochemistry. So, si Jacobus is also known as the father of stereochemistry. Kaya siya ang unang naka-discovered sa stereochemistry. Then, si Joseph Achille Lebel. So, si Joseph is best known for his work in stereochemistry. Lebel was educated at Ecole Polytechnique in Paris. So, si Joseph is also known for his explanation of the symmetric carbon atom in optical active compounds. So, let's proceed. So, what is stereochemistry? So, stereochemistry is a branch of chemistry concerned with the three-dimensional arrangement of atoms and molecules and the effect of this chemical reaction. So, stereochemistry is a branch of chemistry that concerned with three-dimensional arrangement of atoms. Then, it is involved the study of the spatial arrangement of atoms and their relationships to each other, which can affect the physical and chemical properties of molecules. So, stereochemistry is also involved the study of the spatial arrangement of atoms. Then, the stereochemistry is also the study of the spatial arrangement of atoms in molecules and its effect of their properties and reaction. So, makita niyo dito sa stereochemistry ang epekto sa mga arrangements of atoms. Then, what is spatial arrangement? So, spatial arrangement is a reference to the way objects or phenomena are positioned or organized in physical space, encompassing their relative location, distances, and pattern. So, ang spatial arrangement is yun na ang mag-locate sa mga arrangement sa mga atom. Like for example, sa CH4, diri is makita ninyo ang location sa mga atom. Like for example, si carbon atom. Mali siya is also known as the center atom. Dayon ang mga branch niya. So, mo na siyang gitawag o special arrangement. Makita ninyo ang location sa hydrogen, location sa carbon, and also the distance of the atom module. Next, step in creating chirality. So, there are 5 steps to create a chirality. So, step 1 is identify the stereocenter or carbon atom bonded in the hydroxyl group. So, sa step in creating chirality in step 1, for example, sa CH4, sa CH4 is, first, the step 1 is ang pag-locate or pagpangita sa stereocenter or ang carbon na bonded nila. So, dito sa CH4 is makita ninyo ang center is ang carbon. So, next, arrange the substituent around the stereocenter in a symmetric manner. So, i-arrange mo ang mga substituents, which is ang upat ka hydrogen. So, first, i-arrange na nyo. So, sa step 1, diba, is ang pagbay sa stereocenter, which is the carbon atom. Then, karon, i-arrange nyo ang substituent. So, ang upat na siya, kabanded hydrogen. So, next, in step 3, create a non-superimposable mirror image or enantiomers. So, mag-create daw ka on saman. Create ka niya on superimposable mirror image. So, mag-create ka image diri. So,
makita naman diri.
So, mag-create ka on mirror. Mirror sa ali. So, create ka. So, mirror. So, okay na. Mirror na. Then, in the last step, form an enantiomer or non-impossible mirror image. So, na-form na siya, diba? So, unsa man ni gani siya tawag kay na-form naman nimo ang dili ang CH4 or ang methane sa kalingon ani. Matawag siya o. So, na-flat naman nimo siya diri or na siya mirror. So, unsa kani ang tawagan niya?
Chirality.
Yes, chirality or superimposable mirror. So, next, like example, see lactic acid. So, as you can see, nag-mirror siya diri. So, na siya mirror. Same na diri. So, sa butanol po, na-mirror ang duha. Then, also sa bromobutane, na-mirror ra. Ngayon, sa dextrotartaric. So, what is dextrotartaric? So, dextrotartaric is also known as a ditartaric acid. It's a natural occurring organic compound and a stereometer of tartaric. So, dextrotartaric is also known as a ditartaric acid. It's a naturally occurring organic compound and a stereoisomer or tartaric acid. So, diri is makita ninyo ang ditartaric, which is kani. So, wala pa ni siya na mirror. So, gitawag pa siya o ditartaric. If ma-mirror naman siya, is gitawag siya o levotartaric or also known as L-tartaric acid. Is a naturally occurring organic compound and a stereoisomer of tartaric acid. So, ang mirror ra sa dextro. Next is, for example, kani. So, makita niyo diri na si dextro o si levo is the mirror ra. So, ang nakalahian lang is ang ilahang pag-bonded sa usa ka molecules or atom. Diri is ang mirror diri is the, yes, behold ra. the range. And also sa pika, kay na
Dash.